Hi boys and girls, for this activity you will be needing 2 crayons and a copy of this paper. If your teachers put it into a plastic sleeve for you, then you will need 2 dry erase markers instead. Here are the directions. If you'll notice, right here there are 2 bears and a fox. So what you're going to be doing is using your crayons or your marker to color in cubes to match this picture. So I see 1, 2 bears, so I'm going to color 1, 2 cubes to match, right? So these could maybe be red, 2 red to match the 2 bears. And then I'm going to use my second crayon and color 1 cube for this 1 fox. Next, I need to fill in my number bond, so I can tell that 3 is already here for me. 1, 2, 3. 3 all together. But how are they broken down? How is this picture organized? I see 2 bears, so I'm going to write the number 2 right here. 2. And then I see 1 fox, so I'm going to write the number 1 here. So I'll have 3 all together, the number 2 for the 2 bears, and the number 1 for the fox. Then I'm going to keep going. How many seals? 1, 2, 3. How many squares do I need to color to match? 1, 2 owls. How many squares will I color to match the owls? In this circle, you're going to write the all-together number, the in all. So how many are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So put that number there, 5, and then write down the number bond. Continue on until you're finished. If you're having trouble with this activity, be sure to sign up for a small group mini lesson with your teacher.